Imagine a mountain roaring to life, throwing fire, ash, and molten rock into the air. This is the awesome power of a volcano. Volcanoes are like windows into the heart of our planet. They remind us that beneath the Earth's surface, amazing forces are at work. These forces can be destructive, but they also helped create the world we know. Volcanoes are found all over the world. Some are tall and cone-shaped, others are wide and flat, but they all share one thing: a connection to the Earth's fiery depths. In this video, we'll take a journey to the center of our planet to understand the awesome power of volcanoes. Deep within the Earth, beneath our feet, lies an extremely hot core. This heat melts rocks, turning them into a liquid called magma. Magma is lighter than the solid rock around it, so it rises towards the Earth's surface. Sometimes this magma finds its way to weak spots in the Earth's crust. These weak spots are often found where giant pieces of the Earth's crust, called tectonic plates, meet. As magma rises, it collects in chambers beneath the Earth's surface. This magma contains trapped gases like water vapor and carbon dioxide. The pressure from the gases and the weight of the rocks above builds and builds. Eventually, the pressure becomes too much. The rocks above the magma chamber can no longer hold it back. With a tremendous roar, the volcano erupts. The Earth's crust isn't one solid piece. It's divided into large pieces called tectonic plates. These plates are constantly moving, although very slowly. Where these plates meet, they can collide, pull apart, or slide past each other. Volcanic activity is most common where plates collide or pull apart. When plates collide, one plate can be pushed under the other. This process, called subduction, can melt rocks and create magma. When plates pull apart, magma rises to fill the gap, creating new crust. One of the most volcanically active areas on Earth is the Ring of Fire. This area surrounds the Pacific Ocean. It's home to about 75% of the world's active and dormant volcanoes. The Ring of Fire exists because of the movement of tectonic plates. But volcanoes aren't just limited to the Ring of Fire. They can occur anywhere tectonic plates interact. Iceland, in the North Atlantic Ocean, sits on a mid-ocean ridge where plates are pulling apart. This makes Iceland a volcanic hotspot. Pompeii, a city frozen in time. In 79 AD, Mount Vesuvius erupted near Pompeii, Italy. The eruption buried the city under ash and pumice, preserving it for centuries. Today, Pompeii is a poignant reminder of the destructive power of volcanoes. The Mount Vesuvius eruption killed thousands. It serves as a stark reminder that while volcanoes are awe-inspiring, they can be extremely dangerous. Volcanoes continue to erupt today, reminding us of their power. In 1980, Mount St. Helens in the United States erupted, causing widespread damage and loss of life. And more recently, the 2010 eruption of Eyjafjallajökull in Iceland disrupted air travel across Europe for weeks. These events highlight the importance of understanding volcanoes and their potential impact on our lives. Scientists constantly monitor volcanoes around the world. They use tools to detect changes in the ground, gas emissions, and other signs of activity. This helps them predict eruptions and keep people safe. Early warning systems can give communities time to evacuate before an eruption. While we can't stop a volcano from erupting, we can take steps to reduce the risks they pose. Volcanoes are a powerful force of nature. They can be destructive, but they also play a vital role in shaping our planet. Volcanic ash fertilizes the soil, and geothermal energy from volcanoes provides a source of renewable energy. By studying volcanoes, we can learn more about the Earth's history and how to live safely alongside these powerful natural forces.